Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick tutorial on how to set up the Vantrue camera. Without further ado, let's custom it. So guys, in the book it shows you what you need to download. So you have for Apple and Google Play. So you just grab your phone, you take a snapshot of the QR code. It takes you to the Vantrue app. Then you enter your Apple ID or Face ID. After the app is installed, make sure you go down to your setting and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Okay, so it tells you gotta turn on the Wi-Fi. Hold on, go back. No, go back this way. Please turn on the Wi-Fi function of the record and keep the phone within 2 meters. Okay, Wi-Fi button, I think is this one. Turn on the Wi-Fi button on the camera. Okay, 2.4 or 5. Let's put 5G. Okay, next page. Just like the Vantrue app shows you guys, go to setting, make sure LAN and cellular data is enabled. So I go to setting, scroll down all the way until you find Vantrue cam, and then you gotta make sure under Vantrue cam that cellular data is enabled. Next guys, go back to the Vantrue app and then click on the next page to see what next needs to be done. Next guys, go to settings, scroll all the way up until you see Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, wait for it to update. You should see the E2 Vantrue Wi-Fi camera, then click on it. Then after you click on it, it's gonna ask you to put the password. The password should be either password should be on the book or on the app itself. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's easy enough. Once the camera is connected to your phone, now go back to the Vantrue app. Once you are back in the app, click on Get Started Now. You see a plus sign. Click the plus sign to add a device. It will search for the device and then click on the phone. Then it will do a little circle. Then finally it connects. Boom, you are in the app and you can see your camera front and rear. Guys, the reason the video looked like that is because I forgot to take the little plastic cover off the camera lens itself. That's why it's not dirty, it's fine. So guys, we took the camera out for a little ride. We took the highway just to see how it would do. So far, it looks good. As you can see, it is recording at 1440p on front and rear at 30 psi. It does display the date, the time, the distance, the direction you're going into, and the mile per hour. I believe you can also change a lot of that stuff if you need to. I'm just letting this play a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like, but the quality gets even better once you download the video. It looks really crisp, easier to see license plates. Even with the oncoming traffic light, it looks really good. So all right guys, in the app, the left button is to take a picture, the top is to turn on and off the mic, the right is to switch between the two different modes. You have front camera as the main camera, then or switch from the rear as the main camera, or you can also switch to have just the main camera showing, but they are still recording, but you only see the main camera. That's up to you. In the bottom guys, that's where all your events are saved. So give your iPhone access so you can save any event that you need to. They are pretty nicely well organized, normal, event, and photo. This is another video that I took guys, just so you guys can see how clear this looked. This was during the day. I mean, it looks really good and very clear. And like I said, once you download the video, you really see the quality of the picture. Really nice. So this is the backup camera guys. Although it looks like that, it's because of the window tint, but I think it's still pretty clear enough where you could actually see license plates or whatever you need to, just in case something were to happen. And here guys, this is a quick nighttime shot, just so you guys can see the difference. When you're using the app, the picture is not as crisp, but once you download the picture to your phone, it's very clear. I didn't have a chance to download the video or nighttime video, that's why this looks like that, but I'm telling you, it looks really good, guys. All right, guys, this is a nice little camera that can take up to 512 gigabyte of memory, and it also gives you 160-degree field of view all around, and you can also talk to the camera, give it camera comment. Anyway, guys, that is all. So I hope you like this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. That's all, guys. Until the next time, peace.